Did you know the new 2027 KTM 790 Duke is now assembled in China? And does that automatically mean it's no longer a real Austrian KTM? Well, the answer is not as simple as you think. And today, we're going to break down the truth behind all the controversy. Number 1. Why people are saying it's made in China. Recently, KTM officially listed that the 790 Duke is assembled in China. And that single update immediately sparked controversy across the motorcycle community. Some riders were surprised, others were disappointed, and many started questioning KTM's identity. But let's be clear from the start, yes, the bike is assembled in China. Number 2, the engine question. Is it still KTM's engine? Now, here is something very important. The engine. The 2027 KTM 790 Duke still uses KTM's 799 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine platform. This is the same proven engine architecture that KTM developed and refined over the years. Manufacturing may involve global partners, but the engine design, tuning, and performance targets are still defined by KTM. So, the heart of the bike, it's still KTM engineering. Number 3, still designed in Austria? But beyond the engine, the bike is still designed in Austria. Engineering work, chassis development, and testing are all handled by KTM's team in Europe. So while final assembly moves to China, the core development DNA remains Austrian. In simple terms, the brain and heart still come from Austria. Number 4, who actually builds the bike? KTM is not working with random factories. They are partnering with CFMOTO, a well-established manufacturer that already produces several KTM models. These facilities are modern, large-scale, and already used for global production. So this is not about cutting corners. It's about global manufacturing efficiency. Number 5, does made in China mean lower quality? This is the biggest misconception. Today, many global brands manufacture high-performance machines in China under strict quality control. Apple, BMW for certain models, Triumph 400 series, and KTM itself are part of this trend. So, made in China doesn't automatically mean lower quality. What matters is the engineering standard, and KTM still controls that tightly. Number 6, what you actually get with the 2027 model. Beyond all controversy, the 2027 KTM 790 Duke still brings solid upgrades. Sharper design, updated TFT display, improved electronics, WP suspension, and that 799 cubic centimeters engine producing around 105 horsepower. So, performance-wise, it's still a proper Duke. Now I want to know your opinion. Would you still buy a KTM that's designed in Austria but assembled in China? Or does that detail still matter to you? Let me know in the comment.